me in welcoming Mr. Gates.
Well, good evening. It's great to see you all here. Innovation is moving faster today than ever, and we're looking to India for a significant part of that.
During one of your speeches, Mr. Gates, you emphasized on the importance of innovation and how it can be achieved through funding research and acquiring basic knowledge. As the head of GL Bajaj family, this thought of yours resonates with mine. I firmly believe that in the times to come, research and entrepreneurship will be the driving forces behind progress. As a stepping stone, GL Bajaj has established the Research and Incubation Center, which has successfully incubated 32 startups so far and has recently been designated as a Prayas Center by the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India.
I'd like to thank our partners, presenting partner GL Bajaj Educational Institutions,